Looking to elevate your space with timeless design and custom detail? At Alexandria Moulding, we make it easy with our Molding by Design program. Whether you're adding crown molding, baseboards, or creating full feature walls, our Molding by Design program guides you every step of the way. Choose from a curated selection of professionally styled molding combinations tailored to match your home's personality. To make designing even easier, we've broken down our curated molding collections into 4 popular design styles. Our Modern Simplicity collection is for the urban at heart, highlighting the use of clean, straight lines. Look for the Blue M. For more traditional homes, our Traditional Elegance collection creates a calm and comfortable decor, with graceful lines with classic styling. Look for the Green Tea. Our Vintage Victorian collection complements the home's architecture with antique-inspired, luxurious elements. Look for the Orange V. Our final collection, Eclectic Harmony, blends diverse styles, textures, and eras to create a unique, personalized space full of character. Look for the Pink E. And it doesn't stop at moldings. We also offer design support when selecting stair parts and doors, ensuring a cohesive and beautifully finished look throughout your home. With Molding by Design, you're not just adding trim, you're transforming your home with expert guidance and premium products.